Aloha from Hawaii. Thank you so much for joining me on this video, how to stretch Hoka tennis shoes, fabric tennis shoes. So in this video, my client has a wide foot and it is hurting her on the sides here of this sneaker. This is a fabric sneaker, which is very similar to what we're seeing right now with Nikes and where they're going with athletic footwear. But it is a synthetic, so it makes it hard to stretch. But this is what you can get when you come to you can do this at home as well. Buying something like this would work. This is a standard shoe stretcher that I have on my Amazon shopping cart. Comes with these little doohickeys. And I could put it inside the shoe and it'll stick out right here. However, I don't want to do that because I have this awesome machine, which is why I suggest if you're having trouble stretching your own shoes, take them to a professional. So we'll put this on the stretcher here. And I think that I will put one of these little metal pieces on the side just to help. And I'm going to go ahead and tuck this inside the shoe. Just like that. And I'm going to go ahead and bring this back piece out. This is what's so great about these machines. They really get right in there. So I don't know if it can tell in the picture, but it is definitely giving me a nice puka right here. And I can feel the stretcher getting tighter in here. This will actually open up the stretcher more. So this will really stick out. Okay, so this treatment is the same for a lot of synthetic uppers. I'm gonna grab my heat gun. If you're doing this at home, use your blow dryer. And very carefully, I know my heat gun, so I'm testing it, it's hot. And I very carefully, about 12 inches away from the shoe, just gently heat up this synthetic material. And I can feel it, it's kind of hot. And it doesn't take a lot, just enough to really get it. Okay. And I'm going to let this cool like this. And hopefully the shoe will keep its shape a little bit. So that's really pretty easy to do. Again, a synthetic shoe. This is the Hoka brand. They're pretty popular right now. So thanks for joining me. If you want to see more types of shoes that I stretch, thanks for joining me. If you want to see more types of shoes that I stretch, click that link right here. It'll take you to a complete playlist. I get asked all the time about canvas shoes, all kinds of things. So be sure to click the link, subscribe, and like my channel. Thank you so much. Aloha. So now I'm going to go ahead and let this just sit here and cool like this. Won't take very long, maybe about an hour, but I want it to make sure that it holds its shape. I get a lot of shoes like this that are synthetic, but I also get questions about canvas shoes, leather shoes, all kinds of shoes. So I've created a complete playlist dedicated on my YouTube channel just for shoe stretching. So click this link right there and it'll take you to it. Thanks so much for joining me. Please like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and from Aloha, from Maui, aloha.